Hey, what's up guys? Little man with the big opinion here. And on my drive to work, I thought I would just show you and talk about a couple of things that happened with the market today. And it partially goes into Monday and Tuesday as well. I had a record high of $1,624 not too long ago. 1,620, 1,622, I didn't remember. And that showed a $400 overall increase in the account that I have. And that was essentially the stock market going back to pre-coronavirus levels. And I made a video last week talking about how I thought all of the rioting that was going on, we would see a drastic decline in the market. And it didn't show in the market, at least with the stocks that I hold. And now we're kind of seeing a little bit of that decline. I can definitely explain one bit of it in my account at least. And then I can just speculate on why it is declining. So before I get into that, if you're new to Robinhood and you've never used it before, on my screen here, I can click on this free stock in the top right corner, and it'll say, here's your offer, here's your progress. I click on the progress one, get an additional stock on us when you invite 3 friends instead of, you're just 1 for 1. So if I get 3 of you to join Robinhood and use the share link, which if I clicked on that, I could copy the link, which I'm going to do and put in the bottom of the video, then instead of getting 3 stocks, I will get 4 stocks. So if you're new and you've never used Robinhood and you want to get into investing and you use my link, we both get a free stock. So now moving on, the speculation part of why I think the market is dipping down is there was a lot of hype for states opening back up and the economy to start churning again. And that's a good thing. The more people that are working, the more money that is spent, the more it goes around. Well, there are a lot of investors that are kind of worried. They think the market doesn't totally reflect what's going on in the United States. And what's going on in the United States is 13.3% of our workforce is unemployed. We had a record number, like 2 million something jobs were added in April or May, one of the two. I think it was May. But it's not quite going to cut it. So a lot of people are still out of work and they don't think the market is totally showing how it's not a good reflection off of the United States. So there could be a lot of investors that are still kind of sitting on the sideline and waiting not just for the market to be at a good price for them to buy, but also for the economic stats and the talks and stuff to come out saying our country is back, full churn, full production ahead, full steam ahead. And I think that could be what is making the market kind of drop these last few days. So, on to the fairly concrete data. In other words, it happens almost every time with a company that increases their dividend or they add a special dividend. Anytime a company gives you more money, there's a slight decline in the value of their stock. And it just happens, and then their stock quickly recovers. So if we're scrolling down, and I'll open my free stock as well. If we're scrolling down to Realty, we're down 1.15% today. A total value of $3.60. So not a total loss, but a loss nonetheless. Realty Income did lower they did a dividend increase from 22.5 cents to 23.35 cents. So they increased their dividend by like 0.2%, and so that's a growth in a dividend. So you can kind of call it a growth dividend stock, and good for them. I'm super happy, beyond measure, because I bought in at $52.90, knowing I'd make 22.5 cents a month per share, and now I'm making 23.35 cents per share of the stock. So that's a little explanation on why the market's kind of low, and I'm okay with that. I'm holding most of these companies for the long run to continue to create passive income. And so when I was talking about the free stock, I knew I had one person sign up, and I'll open that here in a second. So I just need 2 more people to sign up, and it's like getting a double whammy. So with all that being said, we'll scroll down, we'll open up, and we'll claim my free stock. Left, right, center. Let's go right. Scrub to reveal. It's like a lottery ticket. Johnson & Johnson. Let's go. Hello. I am pretty certain this is their 1 in 1,000 chance. I watch people on YouTube all the time, and they get like Ford, Sirius XM, something like that. I might as well not go to work today. Holy cow. Today is a great day. I just got $147.85. Johnson & Johnson also pays a dividend. We're going to click done. You want more free stocks? Get up to $500 per year free. So I just got a decent amount of my $500. Get free stock. And then it sends me over to the invite. Holy cow. Today was a good day in the market, guys. We're up 12.96%. And scroll down here. Scroll down. J&G right there at the bottom. We've got 1 share. I don't know everything for certain on this company, because Robinhood doesn't update these as often as possible. But we're sitting at a 2.645% dividend yield and a market cap of $389 billion. So I'm having a great day now, guys. I'm super happy about that scratch. I feel like I just won the lottery. I have nothing else for you. So yeah, this giant increase right here at the end. We're sitting at 1530, 1542, and then we ended at 1537, 1536, and we just scroll over and bam, 1684. So I've got nothing else for you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. That just goes to show that Milton, I'm pretty sure it was Milton, Milton, thank you so much for joining Robinhood. I'm going to give you just a personal shout out. I hope your stock endeavors, your investment plays out well for you, and I am thanking you from the bottom of my heart. If, Milton, in the comment section down below, tell me what free stock you got, because even, it's a free stock, even if you got Ford, which we go over to Ford, should be, that's a free $6 that you did nothing to earn. So that's a pretty common one I see people get. So I hope you're all having a great day. Happy investing, and I'll catch you next time, guys.